We're going to use the leftover dashi ingredients to make a kombu Tsukudani. To make that, we will simmer the kombu and katsuobushi with soy sauce, mirin, sake, and a little sugar. We're gonna take something that would otherwise get thrown out and make it taste good and eat it. I like it as a rice topping. Super good. So this is all the cooked ingredients. So we'll do the kombu first. So now we're just gonna julienne this kind of as thin as we can. It's like cutting little noodles. Just gonna finely chop this too. Probably like 3 times the amount of kombu to katsuobushi. There we go. Now we're gonna bring it in our handy dandy wok over here. Nice and hot. Add our kombu. Now we're gonna add our sake from our gigantic bottle. So the sake is gonna add the distinct flavor of sake. Mirin is also made from sake, but it's sweetened, so the mirin is gonna be our sweet. Soy sauce for salt. And umami. A little bit of salt, because we don't want the soy sauce to be too overpowering, but we want it lightly seasoned. We're gonna just reduce this down. All this liquid turns into a glaze and it's been reduced. And then it's ready to go. Give this a little taste right now. I wanna see. Tastes like it's the right proportions, maybe a little more mirin, a little more soy sauce. So now I'm kind of hearing it's like starting to sizzle. A lot of it's reduced. We're just gonna be mixing this up. And now I want those sugars to start caramelizing, the soy sauce to meld in. I'm gonna add a little sesame oil to this. Everything's reduced and like caramelized. It's a little sticky. This is gonna just make it a little more edible, give it some nice flavor. Super good. Really, it just works so well with the rice.